Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? I'm Hannah and this is my first ever apartment tour. Let me just say I love living here, the apartment life. I adore it. I actually moved in a few months ago and I'm just now getting around to filming this video. Very sorry about that. I love our apartment so much. It's perfect for us. It's perfect for this year. I'm so thankful for it. If you want to see my apartment hunting process that I did back in July, early August, I filmed it. I gave you rent prices and everything. So that's going to be more on like the apartment building and the apartment as a whole, and you see the empty apartment tour. I have a whole playlist, so if you're interested in this, if you're moving soon, check out my moving vlogs, all of that. But this is strictly going to be an apartment tour, and I'm also going to link all the products that I can, like bed, dresser, bedding, all of that kind of furniture and decor and stuff that I can. I will link in the description box so you can also shop this video. Before we get into the tour real quick though, I do want to say this video is brought to you by Skillshare. I've been working with Skillshare all of 2020 and they have been a lifesaver whenever I'm getting into a new hobby or am wanting to learn something new. Skillshare is an online learning platform that has thousands of videos in all different kinds of skills you could ever want to learn. Things like photography, business, graphic design. You may be wondering, how does this tie into an apartment tour? Well, I've actually been using Skillshare throughout my moving process and recently as I am styling my apartment. So the class I'm currently working through is called Interior Design Basics: Simple Steps to Your Perfect Space. And this is taught by Lauren Cox, who is the design program manager at Havenly. The videos are so short, like under 15 minutes, and I learned so much from each class. I love the little checkpoints. I can have discussions with the community. There's always a project you're working on throughout this class. And the best part, it is affordable. What's awesome is Skillshare actually gave me a discount for you guys. So you are going to get a discount on the Skillshare Premium, and Skillshare Premium without the discount is less than $10 a month. Super affordable. It is amazing. Get all the inspiration you need. Yes, been loving using Skillshare to learn more about interior design as I have been setting up this apartment, and I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. Now let's jump into this long-awaited Nashville apartment tour. All right, so welcome everyone. Let's go ahead and just get started. Here we have the front door, the only door that leads to the rest of the apartment building, and then you walk in and we have an island, which is super, super nice. I love having the sink on the island. You just have paper towel holder, dish mat, and then these two chairs, which are both from Target. They are one of the best furniture pieces I think we bought for this place. They're so comfortable, they were affordable, and I think they look like such high-end chairs, so love those. Then we have our beautiful fridge over here. We have our blender, toaster, a lot of cabinets, which is super great. Oils, cooking utensils, all of that. Our oven, and then sink. We do have a dishwasher in unit, which is so nice. First year in college having a dishwasher, so I absolutely love that. And then over here I have my Nespresso and just a kind of a coffee station. It needs to be filled. I just ordered some new Nespresso pods, but that is the basics of the kitchen. Water and heater unit is in this, which we can't get to, but this is a super nice in-house laundry. So we have a washer and a dryer, and we keep toilet paper, plastic bags, cleaning products, all of that in here. It's honestly a pretty big room. And then this sign right here is really fun. It's actually a sign that I got Lucy for her birthday. It says a quote that I heard her say in this kitchen, and I loved it, and I got it printed at Walgreens on this little hanging sign. It says, "I follow the rules, just not when baking," and her middle name's Lou, so it's from Lucy Lou, and I just think it's so cute. But okay, now let me turn you guys around and show you this part. All right, so then over here is just a little like office nook. A lot of people do a coffee station here. We just have our printer under here, a cute picture of us, a speaker, and then like I'll drop my keys here, we'll drop mail here, that kind of thing. And then in these cabinets we have some storage bins, and it's just kind of random. We keep tools and medicine and vitamins and that kind of thing. Then this leads you into Lucy's room. So her room is absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually obsessed with her room. Like if I had the option to live in her room, I would. I love the picture frames above her bed. I love her simple bedding. And then she really just did like a neutral theme, whites, beige, and black. We love Lucy. She's out downstairs working right now, but she's great. All right, then we come into the living room, which I love our living room as well. So first off, in our living room, we do have 2 rugs, just because Lucy and I each had a rug from our dorms, and we saw on Pinterest and stuff of people layering rugs, and so we actually decided to do that, and I love the look of it, especially since one has like a shorter rug, and then one is a little bit fluffier and furrier. This couch is one of the pieces we did actually order for the apartment. We try not to buy too much furniture, but we did need a couch, and I'm thankful to say that we didn't order any furniture from Wayfair, because I know there was a lot of incidents, a lot of things maybe about, you know, the trafficking with Wayfair, so I didn't want to order any furniture from there. So this couch, I believe, is from AliExpress. It was like $300, which was one of the cheaper couches we found. It's very comfortable. My boyfriend has slept on it. He doesn't complain, and I love the neutral color. It honestly hasn't gotten dirty yet. I think that's also because we add blankets all over the couch, so like, you know, that's kind of nice too. And what's also cool is it has a pocket on the side, and it plugs into the wall, so we have a USB charger and we can plug in our phone while we're sitting on the couch, which I love. Then we have this sign that says Nashville. Lucy and her dad actually found this at like a flea market type of deal, but I'm sure you could find some on Etsy. It's just like a metal sign that says Nashville, and it honestly fits perfectly. We didn't have anything there for a little bit, but love that there now. These 2 items I brought from home, this gorgeous lamp, and then this table, which I got from Container Store. This little green poof I got at Target last year for my dorm. I love it. It's perfect for a dorm, perfect for an apartment footrest, and adds a little pop of color. And then this side table, which I highly recommend if you have a couch or even for your bed. If you don't have 2 side tables, you don't have room for a table on each end of your couch or bed, get one of these little tables. This one is from Container Store, and it is perfect for just setting your drink down, setting your phone down, that kind of thing. This coffee table I bought for my room back at home actually last summer, and it is from Target. It's pretty affordable, and I'm glad I was able to just bring it over here. It fit perfectly. On top of here, we just have a little coffee table book, some pumpkins, some candles, and I love this new vase I have from Anthropology. I always try to have fresh flowers. We've been doing a pretty good job at having that. It just adds such a nice touch, and these actually are from my boyfriend. He brought them when he visited here last. This fuzzy butterfly chair is actually from Restoration Hardware. It's one of the nicer items I took from back home. Just throw a blanket on there. This TV and TV stand also I brought from my home. I'm not sure where they're from, but works great just to have a nice big TV. And I like how the TV stand is like wood and metal. The metal matches that Nashville sign. If we were to buy our own TV stand, I probably would have bought just like an all plain white IKEA TV stand, but I really like how this one has a little bit more of like a cozy industrial look to it. And then we have our plant Oscar, which we picked up the weekend we moved in, and he's been doing pretty good. He's been staying pretty healthy. Then we have these lights around our doors and windows. I love these doors. It brings in so much light. Only one of them opens up actually, but it looks so cozy and so pretty at night. We have our little Harry Potter pumpkin up in the corner, if you can see. And then this actually does open up to a little balcony. Let's go out here, shall we? So outside, we just have a little outdoor furniture set from Walmart. Not too expensive. It has lasted great so far. We just have a little plant out here, and then also a rotting pumpkin we need to take care of. But I love coming to work out here. All right, so let's say we're coming back from the kitchen. If we go to the opposite side, over here we have a bunch of stuff over here. So right here are these cubes I took from my dorm last year. They are from Container Store. I just have 3, and then keep a little candle and pumpkin. And then up here I have my gorgeous wine and champagne glasses I got for my 21st birthday. They're just gorgeous to look at. I call this our little like party corner, because we just also have some bins that we just keep storage in, kind of just random stuff, also from Container Store. And then this door right here is a coat closet, which we honestly rarely use. We keep a vacuum in here, reusable bags. It's kind of a mess. We've got some Christmas stuff, some empty boxes. And then this is where my side is unlike Lucy's side. So hers just has the one door into her bedroom, and you can't access her bathroom from out here. But mine has an access from the kitchen. So when we have guests over, they normally go into my bathroom since it's right here. And then this door over here is my bedroom. So I'll take you first into my bedroom, and we'll finish up in the bathroom and closet. All right, so my bedroom in here is probably the room you've seen the most on social media and in other videos. I will do my best to kind of show you around. So when you first walk in, I have my gorgeous, my favorite full-length gold mirror that my dad got me for Christmas last year. Not sure where it's from, but I'm sure you can find some at HomeGoods, something similar to it. And then back here, this is something I recently did. I got a bunch of disposable photos back from my birthday, and so I literally covered our electrical box with this. Don't worry, I know how to get into the electrical box. I just have to move a few pictures, but I didn't know where to hang up these pictures, and so I covered my electrical box in it. And you know, I like it. It's like a fun little look at my birthday whenever I want to. Then we pan over here, and I have this black dresser from Target with a mirror my boyfriend thrifted me on top, if you remember that from the move-in vlogs. I love how I decorated this dresser. To me, it's just very like luxurious and chic, but also not too over the top. Like, I love these opal candlestick holders, white candles, my coffee table books, perfume, a jewelry box, and I just love that. My bed frame is from the Queer Eye collection at Walmart. It was super affordable. I will link it below. These two beige pillows were from TJ Maxx, along with this pillow and this matching throw blanket, which you can't really see. In my room, I wanted to go for more of like a neutral and blue theme, something that was really calming, and just my room back home is like super bright and I love it. It matches like my business theme, but this I wanted to be a little bit more relaxing, and I love my room because it's so cozy, and you know, I feel very comfortable in here, and it's just enough space for me, so love that. Then I have this little coffee tray, breakfast tray I stole from Mom. Don't know where it's from. The white bedding is from Target. $30 white bedding at Target. It's worked great. This side, so I have my little coffee table, which is from Restoration Hardware. Again, something my parents got for me in one of my first rooms. Very thankful. Lamp from home. Little picture of my boyfriend I get to see. My Bibles. And then I framed this. This frame is from Target. Just this little quote that I've had for a while. Just as a little framed something. It's nice. A little cart. This cart I think is from Container Store or Target. Just has some books, some miscellaneous equipment, that kind of thing. My two gorgeous windows with blinds. And then we get into my desk area. So both the desk and this little table are from Target, things I just bought when I moved in. Wasn't the exact desk I wanted, but there was such a shortage when I was moving in. There was a whole problem, if you remember that. So I don't love it, but it works. You know, I work from home with everything, so I needed a desk. I use this mainly for my business stuff, keeping my inventory when I'm packaging up orders. I have a dying rose bush on here, which is very sad, a candle, and then this gorgeous plant and pot planter from a local Nashville store, and then my chair, which I thought it was going to look better, to be honest, than it does. I wanted to keep up. It's a navy blue, and it matches the navy blue in my bedding very well, and I thought it was going to look a little bit more expensive. It was like $100, but it is from All Modern, and it's okay. It does its job. It's very comfortable. I just don't love the look of it. Probably would have gone for something a little bit more like maybe fluffy, beige, or cream, but oh well. That is my bedroom. It's pretty simple, but still a lot of stuff. I love my things. So one of the things I did love about this apartment is that it has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We weren't sharing a bathroom, and the bathroom and the closet spaces are huge. It's amazing. So yeah, you walk in here, I have my little vanity with my skincare, some makeup, a good amount of drawer space. I also love hanging command strips on my bathroom or closet walls to hang jewelry if you don't want to buy a jewelry organizer. Then what's super great is there is a lot of storage over here. It's behind the door. Open shelving where I keep just miscellaneous stuff, candles, picture frames, the rest of my makeup and towels, so that's really nice to have. Then I have a robe hanging up on a command hook, and then we walk right by my shower and go into my closet, which is a mess, but it's very big, and I really love that. I'm slowly filling it up. Every time I go home or buy new clothes, you know, it fills it up, but it's an amazing amount of closet space for a college apartment, so very thankful for that. But yeah, that is my apartment tour in Nashville. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this was interesting to watch. Let me know your thoughts, and I will of course link, like I said, the furniture, all of that in the description, as well as the link to Skillshare so you guys can check it out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out.